Hi all. Well, we went out to dinner. My daughter spilled soda all over me. So I came home, took a shower, and 3 packages waiting outside. Since I opened up the Amazon thing and it was mine, my wife opened up this one, and this was mine. I got Villainous, the Doc Ock box. So one more board game to that collection. I got air filters for my refrigerator, which I can go put that one in. Now it's this stuff, which Gizmo's sitting here. They all expect, since I came downstairs, they all expect that I'm going to give them treats. Which, when I get done with my video, today's garbage day. Every Monday's garbage day, so I basically have to do all the litter boxes, get the garbage all ready for outside. This I got another NASCAR 1/24 scale car. Kiss Sterling Marlin. Let me just pull it out to show it. This will actually go in a different area since I don't have room in that thing anymore. This is from 2001, so this is actually, hey, 24 years old already. Older than my daughter. So here's the car. Coors Light. Trunk. The hood opens too. So this will get put back in until I got room. There's actually one more Kiss car I have to get that I know that's out there. So what'll probably end up happening, I'll probably take certain beer cars out that don't have, like I have the John Wayne beer car. I'll probably take that out and put the 2 Kiss cars, put that one out, and the one Dale Jr. car, and put them out with the other stuff, and put the Kiss cars up in the cases above my fireplace. But then I got this big long box of stuff that I got from Dan. I bought from Dan. He had an auction tonight, but I was out at dinner with the family. And, of course, it was a claim sale, 50-cent claim sale, so I got a whopping 1 book after everybody else had their claims, and I was like, well, whatever. I'll put 2 shippers in here. This box is gonna go. Let me just okay. These 3 packs for this box. There's going to be some doubles, probably, because I bought a lot again. There's variants I did not have. Oh, I did buy this series. See, I don't even remember when he has slots and nobody bids on them. It's like, can I pick them up cheap? Yeah, I picked them up. I shouldn't. I got enough stuff I can worry about working on. But like I already know, I got this issue. Rorschach Black Able issue 4. 9, 8, Avengers Forever number 15 variant. Then I got a bunch of these Ultron, Mystique, Super Skrull, Mandarin, Elektra. What's this guy's name? I forgot his freaking name. Annihilus. Helena. MODOK. Baron Zemo. Juggernaut. Red Skull. Kang. Gargoyles number 1 icon cover. I got a Red Sonja. Then let's see. Oh, it goes with these nodding Iceman. I got Ultimate X-Men number 35. Gargoyles number 1. I got a Space Family Robinson Last and Spate Whitman number 59. Soulfire number 1A. Red Hood Outlaw 47 variant cover. Robin 4 variant cover with what was it, Lady Deathstroke, whatever. Another Robin 4 variant cover. Superman number 4, Dawn of DC. Earth's Mightiest Avengers 64. Most Mightiest Heroes Avengers 64 variant cover. Avengers Beyond number 2 variant cover. Avengers Forever number 13. Earth's Mightiest Heroes Avengers number 63 variant. Reckoning War number 1. Trial of the Watcher. Oh, I did. Okay, he had this again tonight. Joe Fixit number 1 variant edition. Daredevil number 4 variant. Guardians of the Galaxy number 3 variant cover. Savage Avengers 19 variant. Gambit number 1 variant cover. Nottingham number 10. Rorschach, which number is this? Black Label Rorschach 4, 3. I gotta see what issues I have. Another issue 3, so I have like a variant. Issue 8, issue 7, issue 6, another different 6, issue 5, another issue 5, issue 12, another issue 12, issue 11, 10, another 10. Now, I have to open this one up. Sent me some WWF cards. A gentle cat becomes a tigress. WWF. These look like they were perforated cards. Cool. WCW, I actually have that whole set. But yeah, I got some wrestling cards. Now, 1, 2, 3, and now we'll... Thank God today's garbage day. That darn cat. Okay. Okay. Star Wars War of the Bounty Hunters, number 4. Miles Morales Spider-Man, number 25. Human Target, Black Label, number 1. I don't remember what those are. I Walk with Monsters, number 1. I Walk with Monsters, number 2. I Walk with Monsters, number 3. Number 4. Nuclear Family, number 1. Number 2. Number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, this is another one. I don't remember what it is. I got to look at same thing with this one. Justice League, number 55, variant cover. Justice League versus the Legion of Superheroes, number 1. Connor Hawk, Dragon's Blood, number 4. Robotech, The New Generation, number 1. Sins of Sinister, Immoral X-Men, number 1, variant cover, White Queen. Secret Invasion, number 1, variant edition, Nick Fury. Another Secret Invasion, number 1. Oh, you guys like to sit in boxes. She-Hulk number 8, variant edition. Howard the Duck cover. She-Hulk number 7. She-Hulk number 4, variant edition with like all the different She-Hulks on the cover. All different Savage Avengers number 2, Cloak and Dagger cover, variant. New Mutants number 1, variant edition. Moon Knight number 29. I like this cover, so that's why I picked it up. War of the Bounty Hunters number 5. Star Wars War of the Bounty Hunters number 2. Star Wars War of the Bounty Hunters number 3. Masters of the Universe Revelation number 1. And a different cover. Revelation number 2. Different cover. Number 3. Different cover. Then number 4. With a different cover. And let's see, Nottingham MSL Legacy number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. 6. I actually got, that's the black and white, and there's the color. 7, 8, and then 9. And I got these, which I have to look to see what these are. This is a Camilla. Let's get the Camilla Con cover. Soltatic. Issue 1. And let's see what this one is. Is this Humanoids? No. Space Bastards number 1. I got these for like quarter or 50 cents a book, so I was like, okay. So I don't remember what I paid. I have to actually go look and then figure out how much it came out when I paid and how many books, and then average it out. Studios. Once and Future number 27. And that's probably another Once and Future book then here. Yeah, 26. And that's everything that I got on this unboxing. And as always, thank you all for viewing and subscribing. Keep Joe out.